All right, this is a 2024 Honda Pilot. It's the 4th generation of Pilot. Model year began in 2023. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the engine coolant notification, the maintenance reminder that may be popping up for you. So if you're not on the home screen already, go ahead and click this home button on the upper left-hand side, and then we're going to go to the right here, and we're going to click on Vehicle Settings. And then from here, we're going to go to the right again and click on Maintenance Info. Now this is where all your maintenance reminders will be. So click on Select Reset Items. I've got a few going for me here. If it's not at the top, just scroll down to Engine Coolant. Go ahead and click on that. Would you like to reset maintenance information? And all you need to do is click this reset button. I'm not going to do it right now because I have not changed my engine coolant, but it's pretty easy. Just hit that reset button and it will reset for you. So that is how you reset your engine coolant maintenance information notification on your 4th generation Honda Pilot. Thank you for watching.